Have you ever wondered why disasters are happening more and more frequently since the past few years and recently? Have you ever thought about how to escape or survive these disasters? Well, then you are here at the right place. Welcome back to another new video of End Time News. This is Humanity and End Time Events, a YouTube channel that collect daily footages of disasters happening around the world, fulfilling the End Time Bible's prophecies. Well, if it's your first time, please subscribe it and share it to as many people as you can. We are responsible to create awareness for our loved ones who lives a normal lifestyle as usual, like the people during the days of Noah, following the worldly trends and materialistic lifestyle. Be like Noah, who listened to God's voice, acted according to God's words, and finally built the ark that saved him, his family, and the animals. While the people who didn't listen and ignored God's work of saving mankind were all destroyed by the disaster. So shall it be when the Son of Man comes in the last days. Likewise, the Bible tells us that Jesus has yet many things to says when he return, that God will do judgment work on earth, that God will separate his sheep from goats, and God will destroy this world and create a new heaven and new earth, and so on. Are you curious to know, my dear brother and sister in Christ? If you would like to know the hidden truth about the mysteries of the second coming of Christ as a thief and want to be a wise virgin, then make sure to check and click the link below in description or in the comments section. Watch till the end, and thank you for watching. May God bless you.
Jesu.
なあ、すごいな。ね、これ出発するね。
强台风安比袭击日本，周五下午到晚间，台风持续北上，最接近首都圈，或造成暴雨灾害。24小时最大降雨量预计200到300毫米。 周五，羽田和成田机场超600个航班停飞，东海道新干线东京至名古屋区间全天停运，东京站新干线站台临时关闭，东京市内交通也有相当部分临时停运。安比周五上午将伊豆群岛纳入暴风圈，岛上最大风速每秒30米，有树木倒塌阻碍交通。下午千叶县进入暴风圈，沿
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh god, it's coming!
There it comes, big push! Wow! Here it is, here it is, here it is, here it is!
Do we have a tornado coming through? Holy moly.
Grazie.
Up a little bit and look at the rotation.
Right there. Right there. Tornado touching down. Tornado touching down. Touching down. Wow, look at that. Train even flipped. Yeah. I was the scariest thing I ever fucking seen when I came outside. The Canadian Independent is live on location here in Ayr, Ontario after a tornado touched down, causing significant damage. The force of the tornado was so much that it caused rail cars to flip, tore roofs off of buildings, and threw large objects around. Parts of residential neighborhoods have been impacted with a large amount of trees and hydro lines down. I spoke with some residents here and they tell me for the most part, their homes have not sustained a whole lot of damage. Home hardware sustained significant damage with parts of the roof being torn off and thrown everywhere. It is not yet known when power will be restored to those affected in the area. Doing a bit of a damage survey with the Northern Tornadoes Project right now. There's Dave behind me right there. I want to show you some of the most significant damage I have seen so far in Ayr. This is behind the main storage build, the large grain silos. Probably the best way to decide. And you've seen from the other side already. This is the back side. This whole thing you see right here, this twisted piece of metal right there as well, you can sort of get an idea. That's one of the conveyor machines that brings the fertilizer from that out onto the trains, and you can see right here where the trains have been flipped on their side. That is significant damage. I'm going to show you a little close up. I don't want to do too close because again, you have to be very careful, but you can get an idea of the damage here. And then of course, I'll show you this right here, you can get an idea. Now, we were talking to the safety manager for the plant, and she said this machine here never comes past those blocks right there. So the tornado literally took it and flipped it over on top of the trains right here. Yeah, just significant damage here.
Video kaydedemiyoruz ya, arama sırasında bekle, kapat.
İşte aşağıda zeytin şey yok zaten. Giderek nasıl yapmasın ya, yakar.